it's huge.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
River Law, I got 9 DC level 5 15s on 3 slap AKs. All gain match, you know, 3 per amp.
Whoa.
Yeah. But I mean, I peak, I think I do like 3,000 watts each amp. I rise really high.
Yeah. Wow.
But you'll see it here on the
Okay. Have you ever tried doing any kind of bracing on the outside of the box yet, or are you trying to keep it no wall?
keep it no wall. Yeah, I haven't done anything really besides the 2 sides. See the side panels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I gained half a dB plus those.
Keeping the pressure on it. Yeah.
So it's like a half wall, kind of.
Wow, that is insane. How big is this box? Cubic wise?
Man, I have no idea. I just know it's huge.
Yeah. Wow.
It's tuned at 17. So the bandwidth is like 12 to 18, that's it.
Oh, so you fall off in the low 20s?
Oh man, yeah, it's bad.
Wow.
So it's hard to find music.
What is your SPL on the low end?
I peak at 18. I do a 156 at 18, and then a 153 at 15.
Wow. That's insane. 150s, man. Okay.
But man, at 20 it drops.
It does, yeah.
In the 30s are like 148. Like it's
Really?
bad. Yeah.
Well, that's what you tuned it for. You wanted the
Right.
low, so. How well is your inside of your box braced? Like, what did you do?
I have one 4x4 in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. So it's just triple baffled?
Yeah.
Okay. Looking forward to hearing it. And these amps are, what are they wired at? Strapped?
Game match.
Game match, okay. Is that like per amp?
That's per amp.
So you're rising the 3s, 3 to 4s, up to 8 probably depending on the tone freak.
Yes.
So you're never clamping no more than like 800 or 1,000 watts on a sub, or even less. 200, 300, 400.
Right, yeah.
Wow. Well, you can play all day with that.
Yeah.
That's crazy, awesome, man. Have you ever, this is gonna be random and I know you wouldn't because you stay no wall, but have you ever been curious of inverting them just to see?
I have. It was way bad.
It was?
Yeah, it was bad.
It was floppy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess it was just too big of a box, you know, the volume, because I think it's what, quarter displacement, 0.25. So
Yeah, wow.
That's a lot of cubes I'm shrinking.
That's insane. It had a...
I do want to shrink it, but
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Yeah, I love it the way it is.
Yeah. Is there a way, does it hatch in the back open or do you have it braced down?
It's ratchet strap.
It is? Okay.
Yeah.
I figured that, yeah. To keep everything in.
Yeah.
It's a long box.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh, a sheet of wood.
You didn't even have to cut it.
Yeah.
That's,
All the sides cut
yeah.
in half. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was an easy build, but heavy to get in here.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
Let me go back and find the song. I have to get songs made just for me. Nobody has, like, you know, when they say 15 hertz, there's always a 60 note in there, and I can't play that.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't play anything above 22.
Yeah.
And there's always going to be higher notes. Yeah,
Right.
that makes sense. I don't think you're going to see many people try to build this much code area and only play the lows.
Yeah, right.
So you did great. It's almost like, if you actually look at the science of this is like a 6th order if you adjust the windows.
Right, right. But I'm thinking a loading wall here, just to see how what would happen. Like just build up right here all the way window to window.
It would act as even a 6th order
I think it'd be
box.
sweet. Try that
Instead
out.
of being the port 6, you turn it to 8th order with the port or the
Yeah.
window, so this would be a 6 right here. But then you won't be a no wall, but you'll be able to test it with
Well,
it.
if I go 12 inches, I stop it right at 12.
That'd be
I'll
cheating.
illegal. No, no, no.
AC, I'll tell you that. What's up, man? Whoa.
All right, here's 14 hertz.
All right.
You made enough of motherfucking homicide. People lose my mind, never ever justified.
You're good. I appreciate it. That's insane. I know. I appreciate it, man. That was awesome, dude. River Law. Insane lows. All right, dude. That was awesome. I appreciate it, Law.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop